called up the surf line, said it's a swirl. The girl at the street said she was my girl. I'm in the way, no one can see. Stop, this is me. Come on down to the beach, for she's standing there, a little over 6 feet 6, with not a hair on her head. Lofty lightly, she bent over, with the offshore wind blowing so sugar sweet. She was bending over, hand on knee. I started to run, my thumb towards her knee. It slipped, and she was so good to me. Gracefully, warningly, I started to run up towards that careless, hopeless sea. It'll last all day, she said, in a timeless fashion. Her feet never touched the sand, as she was not even without passion. A better off affair, I said, than it is to be, with blue sky, ocean, and air. 'Twas me. Oh, don't you see?